Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before starting the video, if you are new and have not subscribed our YouTube channel, press the subscribe button. In today's video, we will learn about the professional ideologies of social work. If we look at the global historical context of social work, we can understand the following social work ideologies: charity through social work, approach to welfare social work, approach to clinical social work, approach to ecological social work is progress and summary. Number 1. Charity through social work. Peoples were moved to help their neighbors in need as a result of their religious beliefs. Anyone in need of assistance was given alms. Those who helped them were given alms as a token of gratitude. As a result, Western countries began their charitable social work practices. They started giving alms in cash and kind because religion inspired them to help their fellow humans who were in need. They quickly realized that they could not provide enough for the growing poor and that a solution was required to solve the problem. At the time, the state UK government intervened by enacting legislation and initiating state inability to care for the destitute. Number 2. Approach to welfare social work. In the state began to assist the poor by distributing alms and passing the Elizabethan Poor Law. The Act classified the poor into three categories: those who could work, those who could not work, and those who rely on others. The first group was forced to work in workhouses, while the second and the third were given alms from almhouses. The Act, as well as subsequent legislation, failed to address the issue of poverty. To fully comprehend the situation, the government determined that a tailored strategy were required. The problem may be the same, but different peoples have different causes for the same problem. They realized that in order to find a solution, each cause had to be investigated. As a result, charitable organizations were formed to carry out that responsibility. Approach to clinical social work. Recognizing the need to assist the destitute, Congress passed the Social Security Act in 1935. The act was passed in order to address the problem that arose as a result of industrialization. The government took over some of the people's financial issues. A large number of people offered to help. Volunteers monitor untrained individuals because they are trained individuals who can perform casework practice. Most people realized that money would not solve their problems, so they started working as counselors. Psychological sciences, particularly psychoanalytic theory, have served as a foundation for counseling. Clinical social work is a type of direct social work interaction that takes place primarily in the worker's office with individuals, groups, and families. In this technique, the worker facilitates contact between the individuals and his or her social environment by using a disciplined use of self. Number 4. Approach to ecological social work. Problems are viewed as environmental inadequacies rather than personal deficits in an ecological social work approach. Tradition in social work has emphasized social treatment and reform, laying the groundwork for an ecological approach. Professional social workers, as well as the organizations that employ them, see themselves as change agents working to affect systematic change. Identifying the problem, identifying the clients and target system which is causing the problem, determining the decision making process for change goals in collaboration with clients, and determining the action system with which the change agent can achieve change goals are the step in an ecological approach. Number 5. Social work is progress. Some progressive social workers are friends with radical and participate in their activities. They are fed up with society's inequity. Progressive social work activities work to change the oppressive elements of society. They help them heal their wounds and educate them on making the best decision for their future. Liberal feminism is a school of thought that advocates for gender equality as well as equal suffrage, education, and career opportunities for men and women. Liberal feminists do not investigate the societal roots of gender discrimination. According to Marxist feminists, women's oppression is a result of the capitalist mode of production. When there is a distinction between home and paid work, only the latter is productive. Summary: the goal of social work is to help people resolve their problems. Social work is typically concerned with interpersonal issues such as marital problems, parent child problems, chronic patient rehabilitation, and so on. It is not the same as providing social services. The presence of professional relationship and face to face engagement distinguish social work from social service. Social work is knowledge derived from various social and psychological sciences. Some of the strategies used in social work include social casework, group work, community organization, social action, social welfare administration, and social work research. Social work's key function include the restoration of poor social functioning, the provision of resources, and the prevention of social dysfunction. The goal of social work is to help people resolve problems. It addresses psychosocial issues concerning physical and mental health as well as interpersonal and relationship and social justice.